Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter File Explorer not responding or hanging, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is to clean the File Explorer history. So for that we will open the run dialog by pressing the Windows and the R button together. Now once we do that, we will enter the line control CONTROL and press enter. Then we will look for, in the search bar we'll look for File Explorer options, that is this one, and then click on it. Now in the privacy tab, click on check all these boxes and press clear. And once you do that, click on apply, OK. And now we will kill the File Explorer process and restart it again. So there's two ways you can do that. One is through the task manager. So you have to press Control, Shift and the escape key together. You'll get the task manager here. And in processes, you look for Windows Explorer. Here it is. And then you just click on restart task. Now there is another way of doing it, that is through the command prompt. So we'll press the Windows key and the R button together and we will enter the line CMD, but we need to open it in the administrator mode. So how do we do that? We will press the Control, Shift and enter keys together and it will open in the administrator mode. Here we will first kill the File Explorer process by entering the command TASK KILL /F /IM explorer.exe and press enter. Once we do that, then we will restart Explorer again by typing in the commands start space explorer.exe and press enter, and your Explorer should start working. It should no longer have any issues. But if it doesn't, there's another method to try, and that is right click on the desktop and click on display settings and you change the scale to 100% and then check if your File Explorer works. Now if it doesn't, we can run the SFC scan. So for that we need to go to the command prompt again. So Windows plus R and then enter the command line CMD. And as I said before, we need to press the Control, Shift and enter keys together to open it in the administrator mode. And here we will run the command SFC space /SCANNOW and press enter and wait for the scan to fix any corrupt files on your system. Now I'm not pressing enter because I want to keep this video short for your convenience. Now after the SFC scan, we just need to restart the computer by pressing the Windows button and the power button and restart, and your File Explorer should start working. If it doesn't, there are only two more options left, and one is to restore it. So one is to restore your Windows version. So we will go to recovery and then click on open system restore, and then either we click on recommended restore, or if you have created a different restore point, you can click on choose a different restore, click on next and then click on finish, and it should restore your system to a previous date and time when your system was stable and not having this error. But if this too doesn't work, which is very rare, in 1% of the cases these solutions might not work, then we need to do a clean reinstall. So right click on the start button, go to settings and then click on system, click on recovery and then click on reset this PC. And once you click on reset PC, then you need to click on remove all the files. So before you remove all the files, make sure that you back up your data on a external hard drive. Once you click on remove all my files, then you'll get a screen with two options. One is local reinstall, one is cloud reinstall. So click on the cloud reinstall and make sure when you do a cloud reinstall, a cloud reset, you are having the internet on, because what happens is this downloads the Windows, or resets the Windows from the online servers. So once you hit on cloud install, then click on next, and then finally click on restore, and this should solve the issue. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.